What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today we're doing an autobiography on the Grom, and I'm just now thinking I should have done the bikes when it was warmer. It is now December, and December on Long Island is pretty cold. So, this is my 2017 Honda Grom. The story with this Grom goes all the way back to my very first bike. It was a red Suzuki GS 750 Cafe Racer, and I bought that because I loved Cafe Racers. Did the whole Cafe Racer thing. Wanted to go a little crazier, took the whole bike apart, never put it back together, and now it's my coffee table. So, I needed a bike to ride while the Cafe Racer was in a million pieces. So, I bought a Ninja 250. Very cheap, low mileage, had a gunked up carb, it didn't run, but I bought it, fixed it, rode it 8,000 miles I put on that bike. It was a great bike. It wasn't fast, it didn't sound good, it wasn't cool looking, but it did the job. It got me to and from work, 60 miles per gallon, super reliable, never had an issue with it. It was a great bike. So while I had the 250, I found Aurora, my white VFR, the love of my life. I miss you. And I rode Aurora pretty much every day. I didn't really need the 250 anymore. It just sat in my garage and wasn't really getting used. Why ride that when I had the VFR? I was thinking of selling it maybe for a track bike or something like that, but then I got the idea of the Grom. I love the Grom because it's honest. It's not a small CC bike trying to be a sport bike. It embraces its quirkiness. It's unapologetically Grom. Grom doesn't give a shit what you think about it. You can choose to accept Grom, or you can just go get a Gixxer like every other squid. So I sold the 250 to some kid from Utah. He just came by, picked it up, rode it away. No plates or anything, no helmet. Whatever. I traveled to Connecticut to buy my 2017 Honda Grom. Now, I specifically picked 2017 because of the new headlight. I don't like the first gen Grom. The newer headlight is much nicer. It's that LED unit. It looks kind of like a Decepticon or some shit. I also knew that I wanted a white one because I wanted it to match Aurora. I didn't do anything to it. The previous owner did everything that you see. It has M4 exhaust, which is, woo! It's a little warm. The fender eliminator, which is cool. These levers and the pro taper bars, which are really sweet. And that's really it. I'll see you guys next time. I'm kidding. I gotta start it up and rev it for you, don't I? That's the rule. I promise it's warmed up. So for those of you keeping score, that is now 3 vehicles out of the 7 that I have. So we still have a few more of these to film. So to cap off the video about the Grom, we're gonna do my Christmas tradition. We're gonna make it my Christmas tree. It's not easy to get it into my house. And I do this for you guys. And I hope you appreciate it. She's in the house with a little help from a neighbor. I've done this before and it wasn't that hard. So I'm thinking this wall here would be a nice place to put it. Usually I put it over in this corner, but I moved my table there. So I'm thinking this corner here. So let's move some shit around. So the bike is set up. I put all my Christmas lights on it and realized that none of my Christmas lights work. So I went shopping for Christmas lights and I realized that there's none left. But I found these, and that's kind of cool. So I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and for the atheists out there, Happy Solstice. It has been an awesome year for me, for this channel. We've come a long way in the last year. We've added, 150, 200 subscribers. So thanks everybody for being here. Don't think that I don't see you. There are a handful of regular supporters of this channel, and I see every single one of you guys. So thank you. Have a happy new year. I'll see you guys next year. 2022 is going to be awesome for me. Hopefully 2022 is going to be awesome for you. But in the meantime, have a good one. Go hang out with your family, and I'll see you guys next year.